heading to Boracay Island. So we're just checking in. Woken up at 4 o'clock in the morning, getting ready to go to the flight to Boracay Island. We're going to see all the beaches. Saan ang pupunta? Sa Boracay. Boracay. It is hot. I feel like I haven't stopped all day. Little Manny has been doing pretty well in this heat. So this is Boracay Transport, so we can either get a van, a boat and a shuttle. So right now we are getting the shuttle. So we are getting our bags and then heading to the boat. It is busy, guys. Love the Philippines. This is the port terminal.
You arrive at Boracay Port, someone there is going to assist you, bring you to Rattle.
Okay, salamat. And we are on a boat, aren't we? Boracay Island. Check the view out, guys. So stunning. Salamat. Wow, look at this, guys. We're finally in this gorgeous hotel. Wow. Nice service. check it in now. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Wow. Check this out, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Hello. Hi. Hello. Morning. Hi. Wow. Look at this. This is a gorgeous swimming pool, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my god, guys, check this out. This is absolutely lovely. Wow, look at this, guys. You actually give you these nice hospitality drinks. Thank you so much. Salamat. Towels that they give you is it smells like really minty freshness. Like, so this is the room. Thank you.
Curry drinks,
Yeah.
coffee and tea. Yes, po.
This is actually tastes really nice. This is called beef tappa with scrambled egg on the plate. I didn't have a chance to finish it, so I'm going to finish this. Your rice and you've got your egg. This is more like a breakfast meal. So when we ordered it, we just thought, because we're going to arrive in the morning, so we thought definitely have something that is like more breakfast style. So yeah, this is definitely a Filipino tradition. And then yeah, we're just gonna relax now because guys, it's just been like such a long journey. I'm absolutely so tired. Literally just been going on the go. And especially walking around with suitcase in the heat. It's definitely worth it, especially come to Boracay. Boracay is one of my favourite resorts that I really want to go. So nice. Really like this bathroom. How nice is this bathroom? It's super cute. Towels, these little cute hand lotion, spare toilet rolls, and like these little soaps, which is nice. Walk-in shower. I'm absolutely loving these rain showers, guys. Like, it's every hotel that we go to, they have all these nice rain showers and it just feels amazing. This is the shampoo. Then we have body wash. We just hang your clothes up here. Nice little corner. This here. Oh yeah, this is just a safe. Oh, they actually have a hair dryer, which is good. Water. I know I'm going to be I think I'll put this in the fridge. This is the fridge. Is this the fridge? Yeah, this is the fridge here. I'll just put that. Oops. I'll just put that here because we literally have to stock up loads of water. I'll put my little one's water in here as well. Kettle. We have some coffee made. Yellow label. Need some coffee and some white sugar and a cup of tea.